Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Most people use Google Chrome every single day without ever looking at its settings. We browse websites, watch videos, shop online, and log into our accounts, assuming everything is already configured the best way possible. But what if I told you that a few default Chrome settings could be affecting your privacy, security, and even how much data your phone uses? The good news is that it only takes a couple of minutes to fix them. In today's video, I'll show you 3 important Chrome settings that every Android user should check. These simple changes can help improve your security, reduce unnecessary tracking, and give you more control over your browsing experience. So grab your phone, open Google Chrome, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, and select Settings. Now scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Then scroll down, and the first setting we want to check is Safe Browsing. By default, most phones use standard protection. This provides basic protection against dangerous websites, harmful downloads, and security threats. However, Chrome also offers enhanced protection, which provides more proactive security and can help identify potentially dangerous websites, downloads, and other online threats more quickly. To enable it, simply select Enhanced Protection. If security is important to you, this is a setting worth considering. Now let's move on to the second setting. Go back to the Privacy and Security menu and find third-party cookies. Tap on it. Cookies are small files that websites use to remember information about your visit. While some cookies are useful, third-party cookies can also be used for advertising and tracking across different websites. If you want more privacy while browsing, select Block Third-Party Cookies. This can help reduce cross-site tracking and limit the amount of browsing information shared between websites and advertisers. Now let's look at the third setting. Go back again and find Preload Pages. Tap on it. This feature allows Chrome to load certain pages in advance, so they may open faster when you tap them. While this can sometimes improve loading speed, it also uses additional internet data and background activity because Chrome is predicting which pages you might visit next. If you'd rather save data and reduce unnecessary background activity, select No Preloading. This means pages will only load when you actually open them, and that's it. These 3 settings only take a few minutes to change, but they can help improve your browsing experience. Take a moment to check these settings on your own phone and see which options work best for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Android tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.